Ah, the sound of summer. Oh, yes. A nice frosty Asahi beer. And to go with it, today we've got roast beef and wasabi cream cheese sandwiches. And today I made them in a baguette. You can make them in any kind of bread, actually. I was going to make them in ciabatta, but I couldn't get any at the bakery, so baguettes will do. These are filled with, well, there's the roast beef in there. There's cream cheese, which has had wasabi creamed into it. And then big, thick chunks of tomato on top. Oh, it's just a fantastic summer sandwich. Mm. Mm. Oh, yeah. Mm. Oh, that's good. That, yeah. You probably had horseradish with roast beef before. Well, wasabi is a Japanese version of horseradish. It goes really good, and with a lot of cream cheese. It's a thick coating of cream cheese in there. Just delicious. Mm. Very few ingredients involved too. So let's go in the kitchen and make this right now, because it takes like less than 5 minutes to make. All right, see you in the kitchen. To make these roast beef and wasabi cream cheese sandwiches, well, there's only a couple of ingredients, really. One of them is a baguette, or any kind of bread, actually, but I tried to get some ciabatta today, which is also great with this, but I couldn't get, so I got a baguette instead. And just split it in half, down lengthways like that. You can do it all one baguette like this, it's fine. It's just that it's kind of hard to cut it, so, you know, I just cut it in half. Go the easy way, go the easy route, why not? And then, what I've got up front here, well, I've got 5 ounces or 140 grams of cream cheese. I've got here 2/3 of a pound or 300 grams of sliced roast beef. Oh, that is delicious looking stuff. Up front here, I've got 2 teaspoons of wasabi paste. This stuff just comes in a tube, or you can grate your own, whichever. Usually we just get stuff in a tube. Just make sure you get one that says it's real wasabi in there. And then 1 teaspoon of pepper, which is going to pop the flavor in the tomato. That's 1 large tomato cut into thick slices. All right, so first thing I'm going to do, let's put these guys off to one side. I'm going to grab that cream cheese. I want to cream the cream cheese just a little bit. It's at room temperature, so it's already softened up a bit. Give it a bit more here. And then I'm going to cream in the wasabi. So let's get all that in there. All right, now just creaming it into the cream cheese. That is looking like it's all basically incorporated, so that's good. Okay, now it's really easy. Take these, take our pieces of baguette here. Let's put the tops aside for right now and smear a bunch of this onto the bottoms. Just put it in there heavy. I like lots of cream cheese. Oh, look at that. That is going to be so delicious with a bunch of roast beef on top of that. Perfect. Okay, now just going to take the roast beef and just layer it across here, mound it up in here. Just piles and piles of roast beef. Right. That's nicely distributed across there. Now, the tomatoes. Oh, put the bigger piece of tomatoes towards the fat end of the baguette. And there. Let's see, that piece right there, and then that piece there. Oh, that is just fitting perfectly. Now my fingers are wet. What I want to do now is sprinkle the pepper across here. I love the flavor of pepper with tomatoes. pops out that flavor in the tomatoes. I would usually add a little salt, but with the wasabi, I don't really need the salt, so I'm going to stay off that. Oh, it's smelling good in here. It's the pepper. Okay, and then just place bread on top, squish it down. Squish it down. Now, if you want to go an extra step, I don't want to do it because I don't want heat in the kitchen in summer. No, thank you. But you know, you could take this, take the pieces of bread. Really, with a baguette, you don't need as crusty already. But take some bread, squiff a little butter on there, toss it in your little toaster oven for a minute or so. Toast it up just a little bit. That's good too. But in summer, heck no. We don't want extra heat in the kitchen. That will do because that's going to soak up the juice from the tomatoes up into that top bread. It's going to be perfect. Going to enjoy this tonight. It's Obon week here in Japan right now when I'm making these. By the time you see them, actually, it's going to be a little later. But these are going to be devoured tonight with some cold beer. Enjoy that. All right, now if you like this recipe and want to see more great recipes, make sure you subscribe to this channel. You're going to see original recipes created by me, Kevin Riley, in Kuma's Kitchen. New one coming up every week. Also, if you're not yet a patron of Kuma's Kitchen, please consider becoming one. For as little as $3 a month, you'll be helping support more of these great, delicious recipes. And you'll also get access to all of our other videos, which is like the very popular This is Japan hiking, focus on ingredients, and kitchen tech videos. Those are all there, and also you can print out these recipes. So please consider becoming a patron. Join us in the community. There's a lot of fun people in there. And make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.